This is the Stoos Funicular Railway. Funicular railways solved the problem of carrying passengers up steep slopes by pulling the carriages up with a single cable, looped over a pulley at the top. In 1933, the tiny village of Stoos opened its first funicular, which not only brought in the tourists, but was also the main access into and out of this car-free resort. 70 years later, the Alpine village wants to be better connected to the valley below. The plan is for the new funicular to link Stoos with the town of Schwyz in the valley below. The route will climb 2,500 feet in altitude on a single track that's over a mile long. 3 tunnels will be carved through the mountain at some of the steepest gradients ever attempted, 48 degrees. At either end, bridges will connect the near vertical mountain to horizontal station platforms. And engineers will have to design revolutionary carriages able to adjust to that using radical hydraulic engineering. Reinventing a tried and tested transport system is one thing. Engineering and building it is another. The first challenge Bruno and his team face is excavating a straight route up the mountain. In 2014, work begins on the first of 3 tunnels. They turn to an innovative form of drilling originally used to create ventilation shafts in mines, called raised boring. The team expects excavating the initial 10-inch pilot holes to take 5 days. But partway through, the drill piece breaks, bringing the project to a halt. A year behind schedule, the team resumes excavating 30 feet of tunnel per week, blasting the primary holes and enlarging them with a special boring machine, before coating and sealing them with concrete. Finally, in February 2017, 3 tunnels totaling 1,900 feet in length are finished. Next, they need to create a carriage system that can handle the extreme changes in gradient from steep mountain to flat station platform. 5 years after construction began, the revolutionary Stoos funicular is almost operational. The team has one final check: stress testing the prototype carriage systems at extreme gradients. The radical funicular carriage system achieves what many thought was impossible. Under test conditions, the interior barrel-like cabins rotate horizontally at gradients of 110%. And then back to 0 again on the flat. Against the odds, on December 17, 2017, the new Stoos funicular railway opens to the public.